wood furniture has stood the test of time. The history of furniture has always included wood, and its continued use today can be attributed to wood's timeless charm and integrity. Wood furniture has a natural charm that cannot be replicated. Each board has a unique character with dynamic grain patterns, depth, and varying tones. You can celebrate the warmth, texture, and natural beauty of wood. Additionally, wood furniture in the home brings a piece of the outdoors in to keep us grounded and connected to nature. When you've ever bought furniture, chatted with someone who has purchased furniture, or even looked into purchasing furniture, you might have asked yourself, why is solid wooden furniture so expensive? It's no secret that you can find inexpensive wood furniture more readily now than ever before. It may look good, it may feel good, it may even come from a store with a neat aesthetic. Ultimately, though, inexpensive furniture isn't going to last, and that means you may end up paying more in the long run. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. There are, essentially, three types of wood used in furniture: solid wood, particle board or MDF, and plywood. Within these categories, there are high quality and lower quality versions which ultimately will affect the long-term durability of the furniture and the price. Solid wood is a natural resource that we come by organically rather than through a manufacturing process. Solid wood can be either hardwood or softwood. No surprise, hardwoods are stronger with a higher density and lot of more expensive than softwoods. Wood furniture is extremely resilient and requires very little maintenance. Wood is a long-lasting natural material that can stand constant abuse, whether it spills in the kitchen or scratches in the dining room. Solid wood furniture can last for generations with minimum care. Wood furniture is nearly effortless to maintain. Simply wipe the surface of the wood chair parts with a wood cleaner on a regular basis. Do not allow water or dust to settle on your tables, chairs, or armoires for extended periods. Although particle board is less expensive, the voids of space in between its wood chips make it far less durable and more prone to damage. That does not mean all engineered wood composites are cheap. MDF puts its strength to good use in certain applications. You can find it in some media cabinets, because it will not warp with the heat coming off electronics. Most bookcase shelves are MDF as it can hold more weight and prevents it from warping over time. Most dressers have MDF on the siding to help mitigate cost and weight and ensure the stability of the piece over time. Like all materials in nature, wood has some disadvantages. It is vulnerable to water. Moisture can damage wood finishes and soak into the wood underneath, causing it to split and swell. Finishes can be scratched or damaged by sharp objects. While the top coat should make your furniture resistant to damage caused by everyday use, sharp or heavy objects may scratch the finish, which could expose the wood underneath. The advantages of wooden furniture are undeniable. Combine a piece of wood furniture to furniture made from steel or glass, and the natural beauty of the wood will add warmth and character to any room. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked small wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.